Hello everyone, myself Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchendur. Today we are going to discuss about the subject wireless network. Traditional TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is the transport layer that serves as an interface between client and server. The TCP/IP protocol is used to transfer the data packets between transport layer and network layer. Transport protocol is mainly designed for fixed and system and fixed wired networks. Congestion control. Transmission control protocol TCP. Congestion control uses the variety of mechanisms to manage congestion and maximize network throughput. These mechanisms include additive increase, multiplicative decrease, a scheme that TCP uses to achieve congestion avoidance. Congestion window, a state variable that limits the amount of data in transmit at a given time. Slow start, a mechanism that increases the congestion window rapidly when a connection starts from scratch. Fast retransmit and fast recovery, mechanisms that were part of the original proposal to add congestion control to TCP. Classical TCP improvement. Some improvements to classical transmission control protocol TCP include indirect TCP. This method splits a TCP connection into wireless part that fixed part. Snooping TCP. This method buffers packets close to a mobile host and retransmits them locally if a packet is lost. Mobile TCP. This protocol manages packet losses that occur due to frequent disconnections. It does this by choking the sender's window during the disconnection and retransmitting at full speed when the connection is regained. UMTS core network architecture. The UMTS network architecture can be divided into three main elements. User equipment. The user equipment or UE is the name given to what was previously termed the mobile or cell phone. The new name was chosen because the cordially greater functionality that the UE cloud have. It could also be anything between a mobile phone used for talking to a data terminal attached to a computer with no voice capability. Radio network subsystem. The RNS, also known as the UMTS Radio Access Network UTRAN, is the equivalent of the previous base station subsystem or BSS in GSM. It provides and manages the air interface for the overall network. Core network. The core network provides all the central processing and management for the system. It is the equivalent of GSM network switching subsystem or NSS. Introduction to 4G. 4G or fourth generation wireless is a cellular network technology that offers faster data speeds, lower latency, and more efficient use of radio frequency spectrum than previous generations. 4G is the successor to 3G and the predecessor or to 5G. Here are some key features of 4G. Data speeds. 4G users can get speeds up a 1000 Mbps, which is much faster than 3G peak speed of the 14 Mbps. Low latency. 4G has lower latency, which means data packets are transmitted with minimal delay. This is important for time sensitive applications like voice services. Wireless broadband. 4G enables wireless broadband, which allows a user to get internet connectivity without a fixed connection from an internet service provider. Internet of Things IoT. 4G has enabled the widespread adoption of the IoT, which facilitates the growth of connected devices and smart systems. Mobile TV. 4G has significantly expanded the availability of mobile TV. That's all. Thank you.